Sauran. In South Kazakhstan, just off the road from Turkestan to Kizilorda, lies an ancient city and fortress. Sauran was once the biggest city in Kazakhstan. Today, a large site of beautiful ancient ruins remains. Sauran was at an important point on the Silk Road. There was a complex system of canals in the city. This helped Sauran and its people survive in the harsh environment. The water came from the Sir Darya, a river that runs through Central Asia. Writing from the 8th century suggests Arabs first built the city around that time. People lived in the ruins we can see today from about the 12th century to the 18th century. In fact, in the 14th century, it was the capital of the White Horde, part of the Mongol Empire. The ancient city of Sauran is an amazing place to explore. Its remote location means that it is never too busy with tourists. That means that if you visit, you can enjoy the area in peace, listening to the birds singing and watching the cute little tortoises wandering around.